My name is Esther Abbe, and I am the Data and Library Specialist at Aircorps Aviation. And this is a new book scanner that we just got last month. So essentially, this book scanner is a little different than, say, a flatbed book scanner because the book is held in a V shape in this cradle right here, and the pages are pushed up against these glass pieces, and it allows you to scan a book that's a little bit more fragile, that you don't want to open all the way, so you don't break the spine or the binding. And yeah, scanning bound books is a lot more time consuming when you're doing it on a flatbed scanner, and this allows us to do it way faster. So this is a Raspberry Pi. So it's just a little screen that's preloaded with the software that allows us to scan these books. It's specific for book scanning. So once it loads, you have to kind of set your parameters. So we've got two cameras inside here that take pictures of the opposite facing page. And we've got a little USB drive with a memory stick in it. So, where are we? Here we go. So once it recognizes the cameras, you can put a book in here. So you just lift up here on this bar, place the book inside, press it up against the glass, and this weight in here keeps the book pressed so you don't have to expend too much effort. So you can zoom. You always have to take a test shot to see what it looks like. And then this thing will show you a preview. And you can do any adjustments if you need to.
And you can see the picture? Huh?
Yep.
Okay.
So this looks pretty good.
It's showing 2 pages right now?
Yep. So if you can zoom in, you can see the right page and the left page. And that looks good. So we could probably zoom in a little bit more. There's always going to be a little bit of the background in there, and that I take out in post-processing. I have to edit each of these files once they're done. Unfortunately, the preview generation is faster.
You have to change the pages yourself then?
I do, yep. So actually, we're going to go back out. I don't like that. So we'll say done, next. So you have to refocus at the beginning just to make sure that you're getting the best picture quality. And then once this preview comes up and you OK it, then you're ready to start scanning. So here we are. So
do you have to push a button to start the scan then? Or?
I can either push capture up here, or I have a little foot pedal down on the ground.
Each time you click it, it takes a picture?
Yeah, so you can take a picture, lift this up, turn the page, picture. And the nice thing about this is that I don't have to see a preview every time when I'm in the middle of scanning. That's only at the beginning. So this whole machine, it comes as a kit. All these pieces are separate, and it took about 14 hours to put together in total. And we still need kind of a little, almost like a cape, something to cover the sides and the back so that no light comes in, because any light is going to reflect onto the glass and make the image unusable. So the great thing about this machine, as opposed to the method that we were using before, is it takes about a quarter of the time to scan the same book on this than it would on the flatbed scanner that we have.
And this makes handling sensitive paper easier?
Yes,
You don't have to worry
exactly.
about
Right. It's much easier on the book in every way. A lot of our manuals are loose leaf bound, like in a binder, so we can just take them out and we have another scanner and we just run it through and it's really fast. But for bound things, if you don't want to take them apart, you need a way to be a little bit more gentle on them. So this works perfect.
What's in the black bag?
So this is a counterweight that makes it easier for the pages to get pushed up against the glass. I have to do less work, and eventually we'll be moving this to the back with a nice smooth handle here so that I have to do even less work.
So there's a heavy bar inside
There-
that bag?
Yes, there's a steel bar inside the bag. And I do have some spares, so if a book is heavier or larger, I can put in a larger bar, and if it's lighter, I can put in a smaller bar.